The former President Jacob Zuma is not the first, nor will he be the last prominent politician to be expelled by the African National Congress. However, he is undoubtedly one of the most prominent party figures to be booted out of the party founded in 1912. According to a leaked document from the ANC's National Disciplinary Committee, headed by the NV Sati, Zuma has been expelled from the ANC, an organization he joined when he was 17 years old. The ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula confirmed at a media briefing on Monday, July 29, that the former president had indeed been expelled from the ruling party. The former Umkhonto weSizwe commander was found guilty on misconduct charges for forming, joining and campaigning for the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, a rival political party to the ANC, which was formed in December. Despite vowing he will die ANC, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party gave the ANC the hard time on the recent May 29 elections, as it garnered over 14% of the national vote and ensured that the governing party slumped from a 57% elections majority to under 40%. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.